discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Day starts with a coffee, ends with a wine taste.
Is it demo better with the door open or closed?
Either one, my bolt is just tanking right now. I can't really turn up on it like I
No,
need to. Last time you got it was the EM subs, and those are 95.
Awesome. Wow. Don't move. Good job.
No plastic roof.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system he showcased at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. Really impressive to see him fit this many 10-inch subwoofers and a fourth order inside of a Jeep. This was the thumbnail of the previous video when he had EM audio subs. Now he has 9 of the DD Audio 10-inch 9500 series subwoofers and on 3 DD Audio M5 amplifiers. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. I didn't get a full spec rundown or equipment of this, sorry. It was at the show. It was really loud. There's a lot of copyright and music blaring everywhere, but I got to share it for y'all. I like the layout of his front loading wall port. It is a see-through panel. Looks around 1.5 to 2 inch thick plexiglass with the Team Deadly Hurts logo, because that's what team he's on. The amplifiers in the back, I don't know if they were wired at 1 ohm or half ohm. I'm going to assume they're at 1 ohm each. He did have some electrical issues during the show. His voltage was dropping down low. You'll see during the demo. So we got a quick demo. I got a good hair trick demo, as well as both doors open with 3 different songs for y'all to enjoy in this system today. So appreciate y'all watching my daily videos every day. Sorry I can't share any specs. I recommend you checking out that previous video, link in the description after this demo, so you can kind of see how far he's come the last few years, and give him a like. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos coming on the channel every day on YouTube, JacobViral, and enjoy this impressive demo from 9 10-inch subwoofers.
Maserati. Hit a brand new Maserati. That's a whole lot of new money. Session that hottest for 12. Pumping the squads in them bills. Serving the rods to yeah. Beating that cheddar like Kunta Kinte. Whipping that fishing for cash. Making no syrup from rolling the tail. Make myself a boss and bossing a pound. Either way you put it, nigga, I'm good. Triple salute, nigga, straight out the hood. Make a soda water splash and still. Smoking my rain and my pot and my limb. Leaning all way over to the side. I whip me a full way to a 9. The dirty, the money is homicide. My recipe, can you tell about? Y'all nigga move that dough. Y'all nigga move that dough. Make move that dough. Make move that dough. Y'all nigga move that dough. Y'all nigga move that dough.
I can't imagine full tilt. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Thank you for showing me. Have a good day.
Yes, sir. You too.
Sorry, excuse me.